Hey guys, I'm in Plano, Texas, HQ Confidential 2022. That's the new RX 500h F Sport Performance, but we also have something special here, and it's not the UX hybrid refresh behind. We'll go over that in another video, but this is the RZ450e, first mass-produced fully electric vehicle from Lexus. We'll do a quick walk around, get on the interior. I don't think I'll be able to power it on, but here's my first impressions. It's gorgeous, and I think it looks better than the RX. But anyways, let's get back to this car. The thing that's going to stick out is the spindle body, no longer the spindle grille like on the RX. There's no air. We don't need that much air to pass through here. So just the bottom portion here lets air through. We also have some parking sensors, but the rest here is just all solid. All solid. So if you guys are buying an RZ, you might want to add some sort of bumper guard or clear bra to keep it nice and clean, because this thing is going to collect some rock chips for sure. And as we move away from the solid portion, it kind of integrates into this black to break it up, and I'm glad it does, because if it was all the same color here, not only would it be too much, but it really helps bring out the spindle grille. Really short daytime running lights. The L motif is about as short as possible, that Nike swoosh, as some people call it, by LED headlights. We don't have triple beams in here, which is a little bit odd for a Lexus vehicle. So we move back, you can see the strong lines that go into the hood, but one of the crazy lines that starts here goes all the way towards the back. We'll step back so you can see the side profile of this vehicle. It's really impressive. Your charging point, your black mirror, your black handles, and this is going to be the same handles that we have on the Lexus NX. They are the digital latch, so you don't knock bicyclists off. And what's interesting is that they decided to keep the polished black kind of broken up. So we have it on the back of the vehicle, and then around the wheel arches, there's a separation with the body color. Now this is the new iridium body paint that we see on Lexus vehicles. I believe it debuted on the new IS in 2021. So we come to the back. I think this is my favorite part of the RZ. It has a crazy looking backside to it. Of course, we have Lexus typed in instead of the Lexus emblem. Yeah, maybe it could have gone there, but it just wouldn't look cohesive enough for the design. This is the first ever Direct 4 model, the RZ450e. The second one is the 500h F Sport Performance model, and that allows a lot more electrification from the rear axle to almost act like it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle. And that's just a quick walk around of the exterior. Last thing though, right at the top we have these little wings coming off. They're real sharp. Kind of reminds me of like a bat wing or something like that. It looks really cool. Should be able to get on the inside, and yes, this has the steering yoke. Before we get on the inside, checking out the quality materials here. Real nice soft touch at the top. We have this suede material beneath, nice leather below it. There's your digital latch. You press this, that'll get you out, and then kind of just like a semi-matte black plastic around the window controls. Down here is going to be more of your durable hard touch plastic. We have a Lexus skid plate, and then we have gorgeous suede seats with a little bit of leather trim on the outside. We have polished black, so they even gave attention to the seat controls here. So yes, we have a polished black accenting that. Here is the steering yoke, and this is bizarre to see inside of a Lexus, but hey, I'm happy. And oh, if you look here, this is going to control your regenerative braking settings. So that's very different from the BZ4X that doesn't have regenerative braking modes. It's just a button for on or off. These will control the MID as well as the heads-up display, very similar to what we have on the Lexus NX, the redesigned NX. We have the large 14-inch touchscreen. These dials here will control the climate control. There's a big volume knob in the middle. The resistance of these feel really good. Below that, we have two USB charge ports and another USB-C for data. There's your 360 camera, and this is also going to have parking assist, so it'll help park the vehicle for you. There's your dry knob, very reminiscent of the BZ4X, and I like this aluminum woodish like material here. I don't think I've seen this in any Lexus before. Looks great. And I'm also noticing some LED ambient lighting inside this door as well. And if I open this up, a little bit of space in there, and this is a real nice soft touch armrest as well. A couple vents at the top, power button at the edge of the vents, and I think we're going to get into the back. We also have some additional dials here that I never saw in the images. So this is going to control your lights. That's pretty wild. And then on the other side, we have your windshield wiper control. That is crazy. Anyways, we're going to get in the back seat. There's your memory seats. Hey guys. Again, we have that same excellent detail and quality materials at the top of the door with that suede, so it's a direct representation of what we have on the front door. So very excellent to see that continuity. Soft back leather on the seats, and then matte pocket on each side. We have, again, more suede material here, even on the center seat. I can fold this down. We're gonna have a couple more cup holders there. Now, this is pretty cool. If you can look up, we have some block outs. They're almost like sunshades that looks like an option that you could probably get out of the factory or the dealer. So yes, this does have the stargazer roof on it, but you can also have these additional sunshades to block out the sun even further. Of course, we have vents surrounded by glossy black plastic, and we also have heated rear seats, 3 different settings, 2 USB charge ports, but it doesn't stop there. We have a 100-watt AC, 120 volt to plug in your more powerful electronics like a laptop. So very impressive first mass-produced electric vehicle from Lexus. This is the RZ450e. Lexus will be a fully electric brand by 2035. Every single car they sell in the lineup globally will be electric. Here in North America, Lexus will be fully electric by 2030. And that's not that far away. We're less than a decade away, and this is the first vehicle that's starting it all off here for battery electric Lexus. I'll see you guys in the next video. So much more coming. I'm gonna get my hands on this guy next, and a lot of stuff happening. HQ Confidential 2022. Catch you guys in the next.